Hey guys, what's going on? It's Daniel Cool here, and today I'm here with Unbreakable, and we are going to go to Koth and try to claim it.
3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3
2,
seconds.
1, join. Okay, I'm here. I'm going to the cap.
Hold up, I'm loading in my trucks are loading. Go on Koth,
Yeah, I'm on Koth. Drink this. Speed.
I'm drinking both, I'm gonna attack spawn. Kill everybody while I have a chance.
Okay, I'll try to cap it. If you have stuff in your inventory, make sure you throw it out. Oh, it hasn't even started yet. Oh my god.
I know.
I thought it started. Okay.
I'm just keep attacking right here where spawn is.
We have to just cap for 100 seconds. That's it.
Easy kills.
You just keep grinding the S tier. Let's go. Okay, I'm at 20% right now.
Nice. Okay.
I think we can do this easy if no one comes.
I'm actually a bit nervous because a diamond could come in and start killing me.
Who?
A diamond could come in and start killing me.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, one escaped. It's okay. You're dead.
You've killed so many people in chat. That's so funny.
I'm just grinding right here. Just keep tapping my controller, bro. Here's another one.
Have strength so you kill him faster, or pop your strength if you have any.
I already did. I popped speed and strength. What's your percentage at?
60.
Nice, easy cap.
Yeah, this is gonna be so easy. Not like last time we came, there was like 6 people in Diamond, right?
It's like a gajillion people.
Yeah, and now there's nobody.
I'm just grinding everybody out.
And the thing is, we get strength from it too. It's not like there's just no point.
My speed and strength just ran out. Can't stop hitting. Yep, look at.
He's wrecking you.
My FPS got dropped a bit. Okay, what percent's that? What's in percent?
95.
Easy cap. Oh yeah, we won.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we got it.
And cap.
Let's go.
What'd you get?
I got 25k in a sheep spawner, or a spawner. I think it's a sheep.
I think you gotta go. Wait, I think you get a key from capping.
Go
check.
What kind of keys do you usually get?
I'm not sure. Just check for keys.
I got 2 votes, which is what I got last time. Okay.
Oh, dude, we got a 200 STR from that.
Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh my god, 200 Oh, I got wood. There's nothing good. Can you get other keys from a book?
No, I don't think so.
There's like nothing good.
That was funny. I just grinded everybody out.
Oh no, there's a common key you can get.
Common key is this key.
Oh.
Basically a vote.
Well, all I got was wood and gold, which doesn't really sell for basically nothing. So
well, I mean, we can still use it.
No, I'm gonna sell it right now.
Don't sell. Oh.
You just see it disappear from my hand. You're like, oh.
I'm like, alright. I'm gonna go iPhone.
Okay. Also, so guys, well, I haven't been recording in the past time. This morning, actually, I built a new grinder. It's really good, actually. And I don't know why I can't go to F home. I'm not in combat. What?
You're in combat?
I'm not. What?
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna type. What did you? Are you gonna follow me? Follow me. Where are you at? I'm at spawn.
Yeah. I'm right here.
Okay, Danny, come here. Gotta be careful, though. Gotta be careful. Take off all your armor. Take everything off in your inventory and put it in a double chest.
Oh, can you put stuff in there? Ooh, okay.
Yeah. Hurry up. Let's grab it all real quick.
Yeah, just grab it.
I did. I'm grabbing it out. You have so many pots on you. Is that it?
Yeah, I just did /kill. I don't think I can do that. Now what do I do?
No, relog.
Just checking my inventory.
Nothing, right?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see what you have. You had prop 5, tons of pots, a sharp 5, pearls, and e-gaps and pots, right?
Basically, did you get the spawner?
Yeah, that's the spawner.
Okay, good. Well, that was a great way to start off this video.
Okay, go back to F home now.
I spelled it wrong. Because when I press slash, sometimes I type too fast and it doesn't work for F.
It'll be in this chest. All your stuff.
By the way, if you hear those clicking sounds, I had 4. If you hear those clicking sounds and you're wondering what it is, so Unbreakable is PE. Yeah, he's PE and he is controller.
I just thought controllers are.
I'm probably gonna turn down the sound a bit because it's like really loud. Yeah, that should be better. Okay.
Right.
Let me organize my inventory. Oh yeah.
Wow. This guy is selling EGAP for 95k. 5k off. What a great deal.
Well. Okay. /fly. Since I'm level 10 and I have a rank, I can do /fly.
What the heck? How do we already have a double loot?
I know, it's that fast. So we got this like 10 minutes waiting for Cough to start. And this is really the OP grinder.
I can't see glass.
So this is about really 50 hoppers itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to take down all the rest of the hoppers in our base. And this is like a really good grinder. I built this morning while Unbreakable was offline. Basically, it's really always, simple. Yeah.
Get that sleep
and
in.
So we just put Cow, Blaze, and Enderman in here. Probably around 50 mil worth of spawners with Enderman, and mostly the Blaze are the big amounts. So then they just fall in here. They go into those chests right there. And then the hoppers, and then they go down the chest all the way to there. This isn't my design, it's actually Kyrovoid's. I saw it in his video, so I try to remember what it looked like, and I try to redesign it in my own little way. And so yeah, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to take down all the other hoppers we have in the base, except for the Enderman, which we need to keep. So that will make 50, yeah?
Is this animal cruelty? Here. I'm up here.
Endermans and Blazes don't count as animals, by the way.
No, I'm not talking about that animal.
Where are you?
Bye, cows. Bye, Danny.
Bye. What the? Why is there fire here? There's fire at spawn.
There's fire. Oh, someone's probably lighting up spawn.
This guy's on fire. This guy is AFK.
Some random kid just said, I'll send a TP.
I thought it was AFK. It was like on fire. F home.
Alright, I'm gonna just put fire at spawn.
How?
I'm not sure, you know.
But where are you? Where are you?
Oh, I can't place it. Oh, yeah. Where's the fire? Where's the fire?
Okay.
Oh, God. I'm on fire now.
Let's start here, because this is the most useless spawner. Oh, I already mined this up. Never mind. So we have that mined up. Those don't have any hoppers. These have... Try to keep... How many hoppers are here? There are...
Lots of fire at spawn, so don't come.
We have to mine these.
I'm gonna go help there now.
So
wait, are you mining the cactus ones?
Yeah. Okay, there, I fixed it. I mined up 2 from there. Now we have to go to the... So we have a choice. Do you want to mine the Enderman spawners?
Blaze.
Which mean... Yeah, we'll definitely mine the Blaze. So, after we mine the Blaze, are we going to keep the Enderman or the cow spawner? Because if we don't keep the Enderman, we can move the spawners from there into the new grinder we have. It's your choice.
Move the Blazes. Just move the Blazes from here and put them in the grinder.
Yeah, we're going to do that, but the thing is, do we want to move the cows or the Endermans into the new grinder?
These Endermans?
Yeah, these Endermans or those cows into the new grinder?
What if?
Probably not, because you spent quite a lot of money leveling these up. I made sure to only take mine because I don't really level mine up.
Okay, they're only cows.
Only cows and Blazes. Let's do that. Okay.
Yeah, because Endermans, that's like...
Here, I'll go mine the Blazes.
20 mil.
I'll mine the Blazes.
But, okay, let me get a silk touch. I don't have one.
To silk touch? Nope, it's not even a silk touch.
I just fell into the void and got kicked for flying.
I hate when that happens. It's so annoying. So while I was actually building the thing, I kept trying to place one hopper, but it was like so low down. Every time I tried to place one, I'd get kicked. So I got kicked like 7 times before I was able to place it. It was so annoying. Legit 7 times, maybe even more.
Keep adding me on Discord.
Who?
Some random person I don't even know.
So I'm not gonna use that because that might not work. /PK. Or that didn't work.
I got this.
What's SK? SK. Did I just buy one? Okay, that's a silk touch. Let's go. I don't care that I wasted 60k. By the way, this is how much money I have. Yeah, that's
I'm pretty rich.
Yeah. I had 10 mil until I spent that money to buy the silk touch. Oh, by the way, Miracle, if you want to buy silk touch, you just do /SK.
Yeah. Is it a /silk?
Yeah, you can do /SK. It works too.
Alright.
Oh crap.
Okay, let me mine the cows now.
Fly. Okay.
That's funny. Watch entities clear. Okay, entities just cleared before I mine them. Okay.
Oh, I thought I lost the blaze. I was like, uh-oh. Because these are worth like 5.3 mil, I think. So I don't want to lose any of these.
No, you do. You want to lose all of them.
They don't make that much money, though. Endermen are the best spawners.
Endermen and cows.
Cows and Endermen are the best. But blazes, we're just going to have them.
I like these hoppers in here.
Okay.
Goodbye, hoppers.
The problem is there's not a lot of space in this thing.
Wait, did you come over here and sell this cow loot? It's all cow loot.
Sure. I usually sell everything because I can do /sell all since I have a rank. If you're wondering what rank I have top rank, which is...
Pay to win?
What?
I'm sorry, nothing.
Which is, top rank is Zephyrus. I don't know how you pronounce that. Yeah, me neither.
Over here, no, in these chests.
Yeah, got him. Actually, I have to put the other stuff away because then it'll sell that as well. I have some spawners on me right now, so.
I have 4, what you call it? Cows.
Nice. So now what we're gonna want to spend our money on is just leveling up our the mobs or spawners, not mobs. Oh, and by the way, I'm pretty sure the reset date is August.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna. So this is like.
We still have 2 months.
Yeah, we still have 2 months left.
Oh yeah, you want to get the spawners? Here, I'll put them in this chest.
Like for me, it feels the summer has passed by so fast. Like it feels like summer just started.
But it only been like 2 weeks from school, I think.
Hey, it's only been 2 weeks for him. It's been like 3 weeks actually for me, maybe a month. I have.
Oh, here. This chest, come here.
But what the thing is, I've had a summer camp thing, so it's felt like I've gone to school every day.
There's 5 cows in there.
Where?
I don't know. In the chest.
Where? They're not here.
You don't see it? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm about to go. It's gone.
What?
It's gone. Let me go kill a mob real quick. They should come back.
Oh, I thought you lost them. I'm like, what? Because cows are actually really expensive. I think they made the price more because they're 700k now.
I don't want to fall to my death, so hold up. Fly. I disabled my fly now. I'm gonna fall, watch. I'm gonna fall. That's okay though. I got them back now. Right there.
He scared me for a second. I was like, what? Did you just lose them? By the way, guys, I'm probably planning on making a live stream soon. I'm not sure when. It just depends on my schedule. but I will make a recording mentioning when I'm going to make a live stream.
Are you actually serious?
What happened?
There's another spawner in my inventory. What spawner is this?
It's the sheep, I think.
How did a sheep get in my inventory?
Remember cloth? I gave it to you.
Oh yeah.
Why did you place it here?
I want to make sure.
Here, I just mined it with a regular pickaxe, so I didn't get it.
You just lost a sheep.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, okay.
I'm kidding.
It's in this chest. The second chest.
Okay, thank you, finally. Oh crap. I just fudged up. I should not have done that. Oh god. Okay.
What is?
I think it fixes by doing this. Nope.
Wait, where you at?
Fudges this up. I think I just messed up really bad.
What'd you do?
You still have those spawners in your inventory?
No, I thought you grabbed them. Oh no, they're right here.
They're where?
In this chest.
Oh, thank God. I was like, oh no, I think I messed up again. Wait, how many cows were there?
Stop pushing. There's 4 cows.
Okay, I fixed it.
Just keep on pushing. No, you don't have them.
Are they in there? I put them in there. I keep holding shift. There's a messed up thing on the server. I don't know why. It's so annoying.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I have it now.
Wait. Okay, yeah. Like, don't put or whatever it is to stack them.
Yeah, I just hold shift.
I just push Y and then they stack. So.
Hold shift and then click. The thing was, I was stacking it with other mobs, so I had to
That's why.
Yeah.
Wait, sir. How are we gonna build another one?
These are blazes, so let's see. This is taking forever just to get those spawners.
This is confusing.
Okay, don't worry. So these are the cows, right? So
yeah. They're cows.
One. You don't even see my inventory. How do you know?
Because I gave you cows.
Yeah, but you don't know which one I was pointing to. I was in my inventory. What? I'm getting confused. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Then, right.
Wait, are you placing the cows?
I have one more cow. Where should I put it?
In the middle.
In the middle? Like, right.
In the middle. No.
There's a block.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think in the middle, because the middle is like where they all spawn.
Yeah. I don't know. Somewhere.
I guess there.
That works.
And then for the blaze. Okay, that's fine. I was like, oops. I got it back. Because when they stack with other ones, since it just says monster spawner, it kind of stacks, and then, but there's a way to fix it, which you saw. And I'm happy there's that glitch, because if there wasn't, then we just lose, like, you get, like, if you have a sheep, and then you have, like, an IG or something that costs a lot, but isn't worth much. It costs, like, I don't even know how much it costs. Let me check the shop. It costs 7.2 mil. Which, surprisingly, I can afford. That would mess up so bad. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Like, very wrong.
What do you mean?
Look how many mobs there are. Just look at this. Like a second ago, there were so many. Oh, look. Look, this is like overpowered.
Come here. No, come down here and just look up.
And also, if you want to copy this design, you can. No, it's not. Don't. But the problem is, it's kind of hard to get the hopper system here. It's like it is a lot of spawners, and to place them here, basically what you have to do is you have to hold shift while you're flying, and then place it so you don't go into the chest, which you go down. So I had to. It was really hard. And look at
the
this.
hoppers, and
Look
then
at all the directions these parts are pointing. That one's pointing that way. That one's pointing this way. This way. This one. There. I don't even know how I did this. Most of this Unbreakable did, but or some of that part. Okay, wait, what? Let me check how much cows, or not cows necessarily. Oh my! Since we were placing those, it's like half a dub already. This sells for about 800k. Just this. I'm not sure. Maybe this one will sell that much because there's a lot of raw beef, and the raw beef is like the worst thing. Okay, so what do you need, Unbreakable?
What?
What did you need?
Oh, yeah, go into the hopper area and look up.
Okay. What's wrong?
Look at all the mobs. Look at all the mobs. It looks weird.
What looks weird about
I
it?
don't know.
I just got a lot of mob loot, which I don't want right now. Yeah, that's it. Rolls, I'll just keep.
Let me see.
Half a dub more. I checked.
We got half a dub right here.
Yeah, I just mentioned that.
So we're gonna start on the new one?
Maybe. You mean what do you mean by new one, actually?
The new grinder, or no?
Yeah. So what we're probably gonna do is we're gonna make another grinder right there. It's exactly like this, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna mine half these hoppers up so we don't go over 50, obviously. And then we're gonna build the same thing right over there with half the spawners so we can AFK both of them at the same time. That way we'll make more.
25 spawners.
When there's only half of these, like we're gonna mine one row of these. When it's half of these, the hoppers don't work fast enough. But when there's only half the spawners there, I think it'll balance out. Because now it's a little too fast, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is this is gonna be part 1 of the video, and in the next part, and part 2, we're going to be making the next one. If I can figure out, I'm not really good at OBS and editing. If I can figure out how to like fast forward it so it'll be like a faster cycle for you guys, I will. But if not, I'll just hear us talking and hanging out and just chilling, making the other one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kyanite SkyBlock Faction. It's SkyBlock Factions together. The IP is play.kyanite. What? Standing in front of the sun, like, hear that. Is that true? Why are you're mining the wrong thing? Get this out of here. That's a pickaxe, dummy!
I'm back. Bye, Danny.
No! Oh my god. You know what? Right now, when I'm recording, it's probably going to be so laggy. But I am actually the opposite of laggy. I'm super, like, smooth. My FPS is really high. I usually have good ping. It's like, everything's perfect for me. It's just not so perfect for Unbreakable. I don't know why when I record, it makes my thing laggy. Like, in the video when you're watching it. Right now, I'm the opposite of laggy.
Fix your OBS settings.
I don't know how to record. I'm not good at recording, okay? It's complicated. Every time I record, I try to upload it. I spend like 20 minutes screwing up trying to upload it and edit it. And it takes like hours for me to finally edit it and upload it. Because I'm kind of new to that, as you've seen. And actually, I forgot about the So if you enjoyed this episode of SkyBlock Factions, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Also, I did finally get a new skin. This is what it looks like. I don't really like the hair, but like the clothes and everything else and the blue eyes look really nice. So